Hello everyone, in this video we will be explaining in detail about one of the unique features in Saral TDS, that is Data Quality Report or DQR. DQR helps you to verify the accuracy of the TDS return before submitting. It contains all the entered details, validates the details and shows errors if any. DQR can be generated for forms in all the quarters. It can also be separately generated under deduction details and challan details. Now we will see how to generate and read the data quality report in Saral TDS in quarter 1 of Form 26Q. Go to Form 26Q quarter 1 and select data quality report. Now click on generate. The report will be generated and displayed in an Excel file. The details are segregated and presented in different sheets. DQR Excel sheets contain the following details: short deduction, late payment, short payment, higher rate deduction, transporter based deductions, PAN deductee code mismatch, PAN percentage, challan details, late deduction interest, unlinked deductions, salary details for quarter 4, salary not available, landlord PAN not available. The first sheet is the summary sheet where the summary of all the details are present. In this sheet, you can see the total percentage of each validation. If the percentage is 100%, then the details are 100% accurate, else there are some errors in the details. The detailed information on each type is available in separate sheets. Let us start with short deductions. Here in the record number 4, you can see that the tax rate defined and the actual tax rate is different, and there is a difference of 2 lakh rupees between the tax deducted and the TDS to be made. This amount is given as the shortfall amount, denoted with the negative sign. Hence, short deductions is simply the difference between actual TDS to be made to the amount of tax deducted. Similarly, in records 3, 5, 6, even though the tax rate defined is not the actual rate of the mentioned section, there is no shortfall amount given, as the related deduction remark is specified for the record. Now coming to late payment, in the first record you can see the tax is paid after the due date. The delay is shown as 2 months, as the number of months of delay is calculated from the month of deduction to the month of actual remittance. Hence, the interest on late payment here calculated for 2 months at 1.5% of challan multiplied by number of months delay. Here you can also see the total interest calculated, which is already paid in the challan and which is still unpaid. Next, we will see short payments. When the total TDS deducted and the total tax paid is not the same, the record will be counted for short payment, or simply it can be any record with short deduction with be under short payment. Next sheet is higher rate deduction. If the deductee has a valid PAN or no PAN, TDS is deducted at a higher rate of 20%. For such a record, a remark has to be raised for higher deductions. Such records will be listed here. Here, the first deduction is highlighted in red, as the remark of higher rate deducted is not mentioned while entering the deduction details. Note that this sheet is applicable for Form 26Q and Form 27Q DQR only. Similar to higher rate, transporter deduction records under section 194C also should be having the remarks for 0 TDS. Such records will be shown in this sheet, and in case the records are not updated with proper remarks, it will be shown in a red color. Note that this sheet is applicable for Form 26Q DQR only. The next sheet, PAN deductee code mismatch. If there is any difference in the codes assigned to the deductees in the deductee master, then such records will be shown in red. The differentiation will be made based on the fourth character of the PAN. Next, PAN percentage. Here you can see the list of valid and invalid PAN numbers. The PAN can be validated in two levels. Firstly, the structural validation, where the PAN is validated based on its format, that is 5 characters, 4 numbers and 1 number. Secondly, checking if the PAN is present in the ITD or traces website through online verification. Invalid PANs are highlighted in red color. This sheet is with respect to challan details entered. Here, the verification status of the challan is shown. CIN may be verified through NSDL or traces, and the respective status of each verification is shown in this sheet. You can also see the amount that is linked to the deduction and the amount available in excess or short. Similar to the late payment interest, we have late deduction interest, which is shown in this sheet. That is when the TDS deducted date is after the payment date. A late deduction interest at 1% per month is calculated and shown against the particular rate record. Record number 3 shows the interest on late deduction. Before doing return file generation, make sure that all deductions are linked to the respective challan, including 0 TDS. The sheet Unlinked Deduction will display records which are not linked to a challan. This covers all the details that are included in Data Quality Report under Form 26Q and Form 27Q. Additional to these, there are sheets which are generated for Form 24Q only. The sheet Salary Details for Q4 is available for DQR of Form 24Q generated in the fourth quarter only. Here, salary details shown in Q4 will be displayed. If employee salary details are not provided in Q4, such employee details will be listed in the salary not available sheet. This is displayed for the employees for whom deduction entries are available in previous quarters, but salary details are not given in Q4. If an employee has provided rent details of more than Rs 1 lakh per annum, then it is mandated to provide their landlord PAN details. If the details are not provided, then such employee information will be listed in the landlord PAN not available sheet. This completes the detailed overview of data quality reports in Saral TDS. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.